Hey guys, and welcome yet to another giveaway. Right here we have one of our latest winners. Now you guys can choose whatever you would like from the item shop, or you guys can choose the battle pass. It's your choice if you sign up for the giveaway. In order to sign up for the giveaway, you just have to follow 3 simple steps I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. But first, let's get started with the gifting. So in order to gift out the battle pass, which is what Lunch wants, now make sure you guys can sign up for whatever you would like. You don't have to sign up for the battle pass. You can sign up for whatever. We're going to go into the battle pass. In the battle pass, we're going to go into gift the battle pass. I usually get an error code once I try to do this every single time. Now you can look for people who are in your lobby. That's the quickest way. Or you can search for their names. So right now, here's Lunch. I can click on him. I can continue on. Hopefully I don't get any error codes, but I usually do. And only once I got double charged. Other than that, with the error, I did not get double charged for all the other times, and I've done this a lot of times. If you do get double charged, usually you can contact them. Anyways, right now I can see you cannot gift out with V-Bucks, by the way. You can only gift out with real money. So yeah, we're gonna confirm this purchase. So sadly, I cannot use my V-Bucks. I have a lot of V-Bucks. I cannot use any of them to gift them out the battle pass. However, I will use money, whatever, it doesn't matter. We're gonna go on and going to back. So right now, if I press continue, he might double charge me. Not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna go back and not go through that error. Okay, right now it gave me the error, which is normal. I didn't buy it again, so I won't get double charged. And I'm gonna press continue. Right now, if I click on his name, I should be able to gift him out without buying it again. Let me just click on his name again. Send gift. Perfect. There we go. That way I'm avoiding getting double charged, since PlayStation has all these glitches happening every time I try to send out one of these battle passes. Doesn't matter what season. Anyways, right now, gift sent. So I can verify that he got it because it does say owned. So I can't gift him again because, again, he has it. Now if I click on his name, should be able to see that he has it. Perfect. He actually got it right away because I can see season level 284, and he's got the skin from the battle pass. That confirms that he in fact got the battle pass. Awesome Lunch, so congratulations for winning. So Flesting wants the battle pass. So in order to gift out the battle pass, it's actually really easy. First of all, you need 2FA, you need to be friends for 48 hours at least, and then you can just go into battle pass. From here, you're going to see the last option where it says gift the battle pass. Then in this case, Flesting is my party, which makes it so much easier. I don't have to search for his name. I can just go to the second option. I can see him right away. I'm going to click on his name, and then we're going to go on to gift this out. So I might get an error because PlayStation does that, but we'll see. So right now it's going to process my payment. Now you cannot use V-Bucks in order to gift out a battle pass. It can only be done with money. So even if you have a ton of V-Bucks like I do, you cannot use any of them. Right now we're gonna go on and confirm purchase. And here we go. So it has been completed. I can just go back. It gave me the error like it always does. Not really surprised by that, but that's okay. I can see that he doesn't own it, but I can click on his name again. I can actually try this again, but this time it's actually gonna send out the gift. So although it gave me that error at first. So right now it says gift sent, and we're good to go. So I wasn't double charged. That was awesome. I can verify that he's got the battle pass right now, because right now I cannot gift it again. It says that he owns it. So it did change right away, guys. And now we're gonna go back. And here is Flesting. Now Flesting, if I click on your name, it says that, yeah, I can verify that you don't have the battle pass yet. So at this point in time, what you could do is change your banner. You could restart Fortnite in order to get the gift. So that's just something that happens. Alright, so we got Flesting. He just joined back in. Now if I click on your name now, I can actually see your level. Season level 133, which is awesome. And you can put on any skin from your battle pass. Anyways, if you guys would like a chance to win, you just have to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there, and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1.
Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.